Hi there and welcome to this guide of how to install the WordPress plugin for AutoSEO. This is really simple. It should take you less than a minute really. It's extremely quick, so it's going to be very easy and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, once you've got your content calendar page open, you will see this little tab here, need help installing the WordPress plugin, follow our setup wizard. So we want to click on this. And here you'll need to enter your actual WordPress blog URL. So my website is growthgrid.ai, but my WordPress is actually at /blog, so I want to enter this. If you enter the wrong URL, that's not an issue. We'll detect it. We'll see if it has WordPress, and if it doesn't, we'll tell you that, and then you'll be able to fix it and change the URL. So I'll go to /blog, that's my WordPress, and I'll say verify WordPress, click on that. And it says WordPress detected, great. And you can see here what we're looking for. We're looking for a big button that says Open WordPress Plugin Page, and we'll see a very similar page to this. And this is basically my site's WordPress plugin installation page. And you can see here, this is the AutoSEO AI tool, and all you have to do is click on Install Now. It'll say installed, hopefully, and then you can activate it straight away. And you'll see a little pop-up here which says AutoSEO setup required. This is where you'll need your API key to actually link your content calendar with the plugin. So let's just go to complete setup. And you can see here there's an input box. That's where you'll need to put your API key in. And to find this, just go back to the previous page. And we've already got the API key showing for you. So just copy it, go back to your WordPress page and paste it. And that's it. And then we'll just go to complete setup and start publishing. And it's all set up, and it says it's synced one article for us already, and we can go to the dashboard and you can see all the articles and the syncing details, and that's it. Your plugin is working. You can go to settings, configure some other options. For example, you can select a default category, you can select the default author, and in advanced settings, you can enable debug logging, but these are just advanced options. And you can see the API key here has been stored. At this point, your plugin is running. That's it. It was super simple, probably takes less than a minute, so try it out and install it. But in case you're not actually on the content calendar, there is actually another way where you can download the plugin as well if you prefer to do this, although it's much easier if you use WordPress's built-in plugin library. You can see on the integrations page, you can select the WordPress integration, and then here you have a download plugin option. If you click on this, you'll download a zip file, and then this zip file you just need to upload to WordPress, and I'll show you how to do this. If we go back to our plugins page again, and you have this add plugin button at the top of the plugins page, and next to it you have upload plugin. And this is where you need to select the zip file that you just downloaded with the plugin. Once you've uploaded the zip file, the process is exactly the same. You just need to find your API key, enter it into AutoSEO. So if you want to do it manually, then you can do it this way as well. Thanks for listening, and I hope you really enjoy your AutoSEO experience and your SEO explodes and you get mentioned by ChatGPT, Google, and everyone else.